How's it going, all you guys and girls in the Illumination? Time to jump aboard the Loom Train. It's me, it's JJD, JJ the Illuminator here.
Blah, blah, blah.
Also known by almost countless other aliases and nicknames. But we won't get into that right now. Today I want to talk about cell phone charging cables. Now, I've bought really cheap chargers and cables from places like eBay. I've bought expensive ones from the Verizon store, and I bought everything in between. And one thing that I learned about charging cables and the chargers themselves, nothing lasts forever. I've been having some recent problems with my phone keeping the fast charge. I usually try to buy a fast charger and or fast charging cables, and I've been having good luck. But now that my phone is getting a little older, so to speak, I've noticed that sometimes I can't get a fast charge going, and it's extremely irritating. I don't like it at all, and it seems like you think you're going to get something better by spending more money, and it's not always better. Honestly, it bothers me, because the old expression, you get what you pay for. But in some instances, you pay more, and you still get junk. Is it something on the... Must just be on my phone. Anyway, sorry. It was bugging me. Just like when you're outside and there's like a bee going around, you're like, oh, or a fly or whatever. But shouldn't be happening in the studio. Anyway, I digress. It just really, really bugs me when certain things like cell phones with technology and all this sort of jazz, things should be better to this point. My phone is a Galaxy S7. I know I should be upgrading, and maybe I will soon, but things happen, and I know nothing lasts forever, and that's the bottom line. Nothing lasts forever. But do you have any cell phone stories, any thoughts about chargers or cables? Put them down below. Anyway, I'm off the races. I love you all. Stay safe. This is the Illuminator, and I'll be back. And before I get out of here, I just wanted to say a big thank you for coming over and watching. It really means a lot to me. If you liked the video you just saw, hit that thumbs up button. I'd really appreciate it. And if you haven't done so already, please click that subscribe button. It's 100% free. It'll help keep you up to date on all my videos and vlogs. And don't forget to ring that bell.
Hey, Senior, you want more porridge?
Hey, don't be stupid.